Did you know you can make your car's AC blow ice-cold air again, like the day it was new, with simple tricks you can do at home? Most people think a weak AC automatically means expensive repairs. That's not true. Today, I'm revealing 15 hidden tricks that will restore your AC, save you hundreds, and prevent $1,500 repair bills. And if you stick around, I'll show the #1 mistake that could destroy your AC. But before we start, hit that like button. You won't want to miss these money-saving tips. 15. Clean your condenser. Your condenser sits right at the front of your car and catches every bug, leaf, and road debris. A dirty condenser can't remove heat properly from the refrigerant, forcing your compressor to overwork, and that could ruin a $1,200 compressor. DIY fix? Let your car cool completely. Blast the condenser with a medium-pressure hose. Use a soft brush to remove stubborn dirt. Mechanics charge $80 to $150 for this simple service. You just saved that with a garden hose and 10 minutes of work. 14. Lysol disinfectant hack. Ever turned on your AC and smelled something musty? That's mold and bacteria growing in your system. Quick fix? Remove the cabin air filter. Set the fan to low and open your windows. Spray Lysol or AC disinfectant into the AC inlet at the base of your windshield. Professional cleaning can cost $150. You just did it for under $5. Free tip, check your filter next. This is critical. 13. Use the recirculation button correctly. Most people think the recirculation button just recycles air. Wrong. It keeps already cooled air inside, cooling your cabin faster and reducing compressor strain. Benefits? Lowers cabin temperature by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit in minutes, can save up to 10% on fuel, and blocks outside pollution and odors. 12. Replace your cabin air filter. That filter behind your glove box? It's probably clogged with dust, pollen, and debris. A blocked filter chokes your AC, reduces airflow, and becomes a mold breeding ground. DIY fix? Pop open your glove box, slide out the old filter, slide in a new one. Costs around $20 instead of $70 at a shop. Your AC will feel colder instantly. 11. Park smart or use a sunshade. Your car can reach 118 degrees Fahrenheit inside on an 80-degree day. Running the AC in that heat burns up to 20% more fuel and strains your compressor. Solution? Park in shade whenever possible. Use a sunshade to lower cabin temperature by up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. $8 spent here saves fuel, stress, and your AC. 10. Check your refrigerant level. A leak, even small, can make your AC weak. DIY tip? Use an R134A recharge kit, around $40. Connect to the low pressure port and follow instructions. Mechanics charge $200 to $300 for this. Don't overpay. 9. Inspect cooling fans. Your fans help expel heat from the condenser. If one isn't spinning, your AC weakens and may damage the compressor. DIY check? Turn AC to full blast. Open the hood and watch the fans. Replace faulty fans for under $100 instead of $300 to $500 at a dealer. 8. Check your serpentine belt. The serpentine belt drives the compressor. If it's slipping or cracked, your AC fails and can fry the compressor. Quick look? Inspect for cracks, slack, fraying, or squealing. Replacement costs around $65, saving $1,200 plus in repairs. 7. Skip pre-cooling at idle. Starting your car 10 to 15 minutes early to cool it? Waste of fuel and AC strain. Better method? Roll windows down for 15 seconds. Crank AC fan to max. Roll up front windows and leave rear windows slightly open. This removes hot air efficiently and uses far less fuel. 6. Check your coolant level. Low engine coolant can trigger the car to shut off the AC to prevent engine overheating. Fix? Top off your coolant. 2 minutes and your AC works properly again. 5. Test your magnetic clutch relay. A failing relay can stop your compressor entirely. DIY tip? Swap the AC relay with another relay of the same rating, like the horn. If AC works, replace the relay for $10 to $20.
Mechanics charge $150 just for testing. 4. Evaporator temperature sensor. This sensor prevents the evaporator from freezing. Failure signs: random AC shutdowns or inconsistent temperature. Multimeter test can confirm failure. Sensor replacement is $20 to $50. Labor is usually expensive due to dashboard disassembly. 3. Don't point vents directly at your face. Cold air is denser than hot air and naturally sinks. Pointing vents directly at yourself traps cold air locally, while the rest of the cabin stays hot. Better? Side vents towards windows, center vents towards the roof. Air circulates naturally, cooling the entire cabin faster. 2. Use your AC year-round. Even in winter, run your AC for 5 to 10 minutes weekly. This keeps seals lubricated, prevents leaks, and avoids corrosion. Neglecting this can lead to $1,500 to $2,000 repairs. If these tips are saving you money so far, smash that subscribe button to stay updated. 1. Compressor clutch test. Your compressor has a clutch that engages when AC is on. DIY test: with the car off, spin the clutch by hand. Check the clutch coil resistance with a multimeter. 2 to 5 ohms is normal. A bad clutch, $50 to $150, can be replaced instead of the full compressor, $800 to $1,200. This simple test saves you thousands. Bonus tip for drop-off viewers: if you're skipping ahead in this video, think about it. Many people only check the AC when it's weak, paying hundreds unnecessarily. These tips done in order prevent damage before it starts, saving money long-term.